welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I'm so excited. I'm doing something a little bit different today. I am reviewing Glam Your Nails by Rossi Nails. And this is you dip into a gel powder. So do you want to know more about it? Give me 1 second. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really like my channel. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And again, I'm so excited. Rossi reached out to me, and it's probably because they see how bad my nails are looking. I don't know if your salons are open in your town or not, but I just have not felt like going to the salons. So they asked me to review their product, so they sent me this mystery box. So I don't know the color that's in it. So I don't know if any of you have had your fingers dipped. So it's a powder and you just dip it in there. So I am just going to introduce the product today, and then I'm going to do a full tutorial and show you how to dip it and use it in a different video. So what they do is they send you the base coat, and this is what you use to dip in. Then there's the activator that makes your nails all pretty. And then there's the top coat that protects it. And these are pretty much just like a sample size so that you get to know the product. And then they send you a mystery color. Do you want to know what my mystery color is? It's this gorgeous pink, and it's called Date Night. And how beautiful is this? And the nice thing is you put on as many coats as it takes to get to the color that you really like to use. So in my next video, we'll see how much I need to use. So this is everything, that comes in the box. And then the directions are on the side. So I'll go over that. And I went to the dollar store and I bought a little nail pusher so that I'll be all set, because I do have a nail file. And the nice thing about Rossi Nails, if you want to check them out before I do my video, is I will leave the link. They have the website, they're on Instagram, they have a Facebook, they're on Pinterest, and they're also on YouTube. They have other YouTubers that do this as well. But again, they just sent me this cute little mystery box to give it a try. So I'm so excited. So look for my tutorial. Thank you so much for taking some time out to watch my video, and you guys have an awesome day.